You know that feeling when you've poured absolutely everything into creating a fantastic piece of content, only to realize its reach is completely boxed in by the language you happen to speak? Yeah, we've all been there. You're definitely not alone in that. Well, today, in this explainer, we're going to totally demystify AI localization tools. We'll be walking through a super beginner-friendly, step-by-step workflow to take your content global, and spoiler alert, you won't need a degree in audio engineering to do it. Just think about it for a second. Have you ever wanted to localize your YouTube channel or maybe an online course you built, but you instantly felt overwhelmed by the technical barriers? Or maybe it was a lack of time or a super tight budget? It makes sense. I mean, hiring voice actors and booking out recording studios used to be this massive, expensive undertaking. But what if I told you that you could translate your work into languages like Korean or Vietnamese right from your web browser? No studio required? That old barrier to entry, it is literally a thing of the past. Before we actually dive into the how-to, let's take a quick look at how creators are actually using this tech in the real world right now. People are translating YouTube videos to unlock entirely new subscriber bases. They're localizing educational courses to sell internationally. They're adapting marketing videos for massive global campaigns. We're even seeing it used for anime translation and to take podcasts to brand new audiences. The possibilities here are just genuinely mind-blowing.
Okay, so here is our roadmap for today's explainer. First, an introduction to AI dubbing. Then, we'll cover uploading in languages, selecting voices, generating the video, and finally, previewing and downloading your finished files.
Let's jump right into Section 1, Introduction to AI Dubbing. So, the platform we are checking out today is called TTS For Free, specifically their AI video localization tool. And what makes this so incredibly perfect for beginners is that it's a true all-in-one solution. You don't have to juggle a separate subtitle extractor, a random translation app, and then try to sync it all up with a text-to-speech engine. Nope, this platform handles all that heavy lifting in one completely seamless sequence. You upload, pick your languages, choose a voice, hit generate, and download. That's the whole shebang. All right, moving right along to Section 2, Upload and Languages. When you first open up the dashboard, you'll see Step 1 is remarkably clean and intuitive. You just drag and drop your source video straight into the large upload area. It takes all the standard formats, MP4, MOV, WebM, you name it. Then, right underneath that for Step 2, you've got your language dropdowns. For this walkthrough, we are going to translate a video from English into Korean. Oh, and a really cool feature, the system immediately calculates your estimated credits and the duration right there on the side, so you have total transparency before you even begin.
Next up is Section 3, Selecting Voices. This is where it gets fun.
Under the Target Voice menu, the platform serves up a tailored list of AI voices specific to the language you just chose. It's super easy to browse and preview the different options to find the right vibe. For our Korean translation, we are going with a voice called Sun-hee. She has this really natural, friendly, and positive tone. You just click preview to hear her, and if it's a match, you select it. It gives you so much creative control over the actual emotional feel of your localized content. And honestly, the variety of tones you can play with across the platform is fantastic. Just to put it into perspective, let's look at two distinct OpenAI voice profiles available for English. You've got Alloy, which is designed to be very balanced, versatile, and natural sounding. But then you have Onyx, which gives you a much warmer, deeper, and more authoritative tone. So whether you're dubbing a high-energy vlog or a super professional corporate training video, you can tailor the AI perfectly to match the exact energy you need. Time for Section 4, Generating the Video. This is where we let the AI completely take the wheel.
The moment you click that big blue Generate Localized Video button, an incredibly complex four-part process kicks off automatically in the background. First, the AI extracts the subtitles directly from your original audio track. Second, it instantly translates all that text into your target language. Third, it generates the brand new AI voiceover we just picked. And finally, it creates the finished video by lowering the volume of your original audio and perfectly layering the new synced voiceover right on top. It all happens sequentially. Zero extra clicks required on your end. And that brings us to Section 5, Preview and Download. So, once the processing wraps up, you get a quick confirmation screen. Now, you can actually hit play right there in your browser to preview the dubbed video and make sure the timing feels right. But the absolute best part, you're not just handed a single flattened video file. You have total flexibility. You can download the fully dubbed video, sure, but you can also download just the translated subtitle file or just the isolated generated audio track. If you're a creator who likes to do advanced audio mixing in your own editing software later on, that feature is a total game changer. Plus, the platform does a great job of helping you stay organized. There's a really handy video localization history dashboard that tracks all your past successful projects. For example, you can see a past job going from English to Vietnamese that finished processing in just 24 seconds. The system safely holds onto your history and your final files for 3 whole days. So if your browser crashes or you accidentally close the tab, no panic necessary. You just log back in, hit up your history, and your files are right there waiting for you. It's an incredibly forgiving setup, especially if you're new to this.
So we've walked through just how incredibly simple this workflow is, from dragging and dropping your file to finding the perfect and natural voice like Sunhee, all the way to grabbing your separated, perfectly synced assets at the end. Those old technical barriers we used to worry about, they are 100% gone. Really, the only question left to ask is, what language are you going to translate your first video into? Think about all those global audiences out there that you just haven't been able to reach yet. Well, now you've got the exact roadmap to go out and reach them. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer today, and I really hope this sparks some massive, exciting new ideas for your content.